Hi guys, this is a quick kickdown tutorial. What kickdown is it's when you change the gears and do all that stuff to make it go faster. I don't know how to explain it, but for all of you who do know what it is, I think this bus is the best to do it with, and also these two buses, Enviro 200 and Enviro 400. I'm going to do it with this one, so I'll just show you normally, like without me saying anything, then I'll tell you what to do. So what I did there was, let me just turn the bus around and I'll show you. So what I did, so I started in first gear, and whilst I was accelerating, I quickly tapped the brake button to accelerate faster. So I'll do that step. Like that. Then whilst I was accelerating as much as I can in first gear, I went to third gear, so like this. Then whilst I was in third gear, I held down the brake button whilst I was still holding down the accelerate button. Then I quickly went into first gear, and as soon as I went into first gear, I took my finger off the brake, and then went into third gear and started building up. So I'll show you now. So I'll explain it again. You start in first gear, accelerate whilst quickly tapping the brake button, go into third gear. Then after that you go from third gear to first gear, holding down the brake button, and then as soon as you click first gear, you take your finger off the brake button while still holding the accelerate button and go back into third and then build up. So what I'm going to recommend now is that you watch these buttons get clicked on the bottom. So brake, I've just pressed it. Accelerate, I've just pressed it. So watch on the screen what I do. Wait, I'm just turning my bus around. So now I'm going to start. So I'm going to do it once more. That was unexpected, that's a glitch that always happens. So yes, I hope you finally know how to do kickdown. If you have any problems, just comment down below and I'll help you. So thanks for watching this quick tutorial guys. Have a good rest of your week and stay safe.